Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let we talk about clap oscillator. Clap oscillator basically is the Colpitts oscillator with some additional capacitance present in the circuit. To discuss or analyze this circuit of clap oscillator, let we again review our Colpitts oscillator. It consists of a BJT amplifier and as the amplifier network or amplifier building block of the oscillator, and other feedback network is the LC network that consists of a inductor and two capacitances C1 and C2. Now the frequency of oscillation for this Colpitts oscillator is omega, and this omega is equal to 1 over LC total, where LC total is the series combination of the two capacitances and can be written as C1 C2 over C1 plus C2 under root. Further, you can write this as C1 plus C2 over L C1 C2 under root, and this is the oscillation frequency for the Colpitts. तो Colpitts oscillator के लिए frequency of oscillation will be the under root C1 plus C2 over L C1 and C2. Now if you revise or remind your AC analysis, then you see that there is capacitance at the output of the amplifier, and there is also a capacitance present at the input of the capacitance. So input and output capacitances of the amplifier may get into play and will affect the C2 and C1, so that C2 will be parallel at the with the output capacitance and C1 will be parallel at the input capacitance, and ultimately omega will not be constant. Omega may vary due to the parallel combination of the capacitances present in feedback network and capacitances present in the operational amplifier network. So to remove this effect, we will add a third capacitance, that is the C3 here. Now we add the third capacitance C3. So C3 is added in series with the inductor, so that C3 is smaller than C1 and C2. So C3 is added in feedback network to remove the effect of, or to minimize the effect of, amplifier or BJT's internal capacitances. On the feedback network. So C3, value of C3 is much larger than C2 and C1. So C3 is much smaller than C2 and C1. Now the oscillation frequency omega will be equal to 1 over LCT C total, and this C total now will be the series combination of the three capacitances. और थ्री कैपेसिटेंसेस में आपके पास C3 आपके पास आएगा, C total will be equal to 1 over C total will be equal to 1 over C3 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C1, so that as C3 is much smaller than C2 and C1, so approximately 1 over C2 is approximately equal to 1 over C3. तो C3 की वैल्यू अब C2 से बहुत कम है, तो आप यहाँ पे C टोटल जो है वो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली C3 के इक्वल होगी, सो दैट ओमेगा विल बी इक्वल टू 1 over L into C3. And now the effect of the parallel capacitances present in the amplifier can be minimized. Hopefully you will understand this topic and will share your questions. Assalamu alaikum.